Yes, good day everybody. My name is John Osifo. I am the CEO of Prio Global Enterprise, a Nigeria-based business. I am actually based in Australia with my family. I have come to know Lima Fish Feed, a company that is involved in high production of fish feed machinery, top quality fish feed machinery, also machinery for other animal farm. I have the privilege of coming to know this company through an extensive research and through some good contacts. I came to know them very well. I have acquired one of their machinery. I came to China to inspect it before it is being shipped to Nigeria. I've seen the machinery, paid for, and the service I've received here is amazing. The machine I saw is amazing. So we're looking forward to a very good production business and a very good partnership with this company in the future. And I'm so happy with the reception I've received, and I hope that we continue to do business together. I am from Australia, but I visit Nigeria a lot because of the business we have there. I have my family and I. So thank you very much, Lima, for the reception and for selling me a very good product. And I'm going to continue to inform a lot of people, especially my friends in the business community, about your product. Thank you very much. Thank you.